Our project is about the next generation video, specifically next generation video for sporting events. We would like people to be able to see sporting events in 3D and completely virtual environment that is much more immersive than traditional video experience that we have today.
So all kind of displays for rendering and viewing the media are becoming more and more in all kind of forms and shapes, and we need to create content for that, and we need to customize the content for these kind of displays. This is end-to-end, very complex system, has many challenges.
So for example, it's very difficult to add new types of cameras on the stadiums. So the way we are trying to approach this is to work with standard or regular video, and how we can take regular video streams and add additional content and new types of experience using just additional computing and image processing to regular video streams that you acquire. Converting content from 2D to 3D is extremely challenging. One of our insights was to use content generated using computer games to create a huge database of images, and then using our approach, we can take existing video content from a real game, we can search for similar images in the database that are computer generated, and we can transfer depth information from that database onto the real game.
So these are totally different types of content, yet they were kind of surprisingly nice and work it perfectly well.
There are also challenges in terms of streaming that whole content to multiple devices that have different types of parameters.
One of them is feeling the real depth as we naturally see it. We don't know what is the best rendering of a video on a specific display. How much depth should we render on a mobile phone? How about a 62-inch TV? These are all different environments, and we need to understand the human visual system, the capabilities of the screen, the processing capabilities of the CPUs in the machines, so that we render the best possible quality. We were surprised that the amount of depth that you should render on a mobile is quite different from the amount of depth the same person would like to see on a big display. So if you watch YouTube video on your mobile, regular videos, this is pretty much the same video you watch on a laptop or a mobile phone or a big display. It's just the resolution is different. But what we have shown in our research, the depth perception should be different from the display, small display, to the medium display, to the bigger display. So it's a lot more complex to render 3D videos than just regular 2D videos.
And there are also challenges in terms of human perception. You would like to adapt the content to the preferences of individual viewers.
Some people are more comfortable with little bit of depth, not too much, because they get headache or visual fatigue. And others are more aggressive. They like it, things are popping out and very vivid, very thrilling. And in our work, we cater for that too. We customize the content for the device and for the person.
My expertise is computer graphics, image processing, and computer vision.
I work more on networking and multimedia systems with some signal processing background. So we have a healthy overlap of expertise as well as a good complementary mix of experience. This allows us to actually produce the end-to-end system. So with full understanding of the signal, the people, the network, the systems, the servers, everything.
We will be able to create a complete end-to-end systems that start with real video content that takes this content and distributes it to computation in the cloud. Then it allows you to build big systems that sort of do these special conversions and adaptations. In 2022, World Cup is planned to be in Qatar. So if you take an event such as a World Cup, it's a global event, probably the largest sporting event in the world that's being watched by billions of people. So you will be able to influence how many people perceive this type of event in the near future.
So this research has the potential to change the way we view and interact with multimedia content. It has a potential to create high-tech jobs in Qatar. We're starting up companies, recruiting people, starting technology in the Middle East that traditionally was not there. So, and we are creating this.